This question is very simple. Watch. It says the resultant of two forces A and B will be greatest when the angle between A and B is, these are the options to choose from. We have 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 180 degrees, and 60 degrees. So the question is asking between the forces A and B, what will be the angle for you to obtain the maximum resultant or the greatest value of the resultant? Here we have the general formula for finding the resultant of two vectors. This is coined out of the cosine rule. In cosine rule, this is negative. However, from the derivation of this formula, it happens to be positive for us to have the angle theta as cos theta in the equation. So we are just going to test each of these angles with this formula and tell which one will be greatest. Let's start with cos 0 degrees. Cos 0 degrees is equal to 1. It means we can replace cos theta here with 1 so that this equation becomes r squared equals to a squared plus b squared. 1 times 2ab gives us 2ab. So this will be the result of the resultant. Let's try cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. If you put 0 here, it means that 2ab times 0 is 0, and this part will go out and you'll be left with r squared equals to a squared plus b squared. Let's try cos 45 degrees. 45 degrees 0.7071. If you multiply 2ab by 0.7701, it becomes r squared equals to a squared plus b squared plus 1.4ab. When 2 multiply 0.7 gives 1.4 times ab, 1.4ab. The fourth one is 180. Cos 180 degrees is minus 1. Minus 1 times 2ab becomes minus 2ab. So this becomes r squared equals to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. And the last one is cos 60, which is 0.5. 0.5 times 2ab gives us 1ab. So we just have r squared equals to a squared plus b squared plus ab. We don't need to put the 1. Now, these are the results. So we are just going to check each of them and find the one that is greatest. Here you have a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Whatever a squared plus b squared is, remember it is in all the formulas, which means this section of the formula is constant. Let us look at the part that is changing. Here you are adding 2ab to this. Here you are not adding anything to this. So between this and this is greater than this one. By what? By 2ab. So we have the greater one of these two as this. Now let's compare this with this. This is 1.4. This is 2. Obviously this is greater. So this is still greater. Let's compare this with this. This is plus 2ab. This is minus 2ab. So obviously plus 2ab is greater. Let's check with the last one. This is 2ab. This is just ab, which means 2ab is greater. That means that cos 0 will give us a greater value and the angle is 0, which brings us to the correct answer being option A, 0 degrees. I hope it's clarified and is simple enough. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it, and comment. Encourage us by sharing this video to others. Thank you and see you in the next video.